How to delete watched history on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete watched history on Instagram. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram account, and after that all you have to do is just simply go to the profile section from the bottom right corner and just go to the account center and just simply scroll down over here again, and you will be able to see the option called your information and permissions. Under the account settings, just simply tap on it. Now you will be able to see the option called search history. Just simply tap on it and click on keep searches for, and over here you will be able to see the option called auto clear search history. So if you select the auto search history and clear history as per your liking, for example, right now it has set to default so that your Instagram searches are only stored for 30 days, including your watch history. So for example, if you set it for 3 days, then your Instagram searches and all your watched history will be kept for only 3 days, and after that it will be get deleted automatically, and it will not create any data after that. So if you are okay with clearing the watch history and the search history for 3 days, just simply click on confirm, and yeah, that's how you will be able to, and that's how you will be able to delete watched history on Instagram quite easily. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful.